Just learning how to pray. Bear with me.
What's going on, So Mysterious? Talk to me.
I got the obituaries ready.
Can you read some of the obituary out for us to keep us informed of what's going on? Can you please read the obituary to us to show us what type of nigga he was, his life, his time? Please, So Mysterious, read the obituary for us. Just give us a little taste. Shout out to Lady Snoop, whole lot of wood shit, Cream Savage, my nigga Ben Pimpin in the building. Can you please read us some of this obituary, So Mysterious?
Yes, I will read some. Mr. Greg Ratchet, Greg Easton, television, born.
Come on, get together, So Mysterious. Come on, girl, you gotta get it together. Come on. We need to hear this obituary. We gotta hear this obituary.
I'm just messed up right now.
I'm fucked up too. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm over here shook up right now. I'm fucked up about this shit, man. That was my little bro, man. I can't believe he turned into a whole ass nigga. Let's go. Let's go.
She was born, she was actually a girl. She was born October 31st, 1978.
That nigga wasn't born no goddamn 78. Hell nah, So Mysterious. That nigga wasn't born no goddamn 78. Hold on.
He was.
That nigga wasn't born no goddamn. That nigga born like 84, 85 or something.
Hey, Stone, I gotta, do you mind if Ben Pimpin do his farewell speech before he step down?
Man, go ahead. Let me hear your speech, man. Go ahead, let me hear your speech.
All right. Now, they call you Ratchet, but we call you Ratchet. We had you a little light, but now them lights is dead. You act like a big dog, but you really slim. You pissed a lot of niggas off, and we know you won't ride. In the words of Mo3, they scared to come outside. They scared to come outside.
Hey, man.
The boys stay out the way.
Oh, man.
Every day that I've lived. You gave me a love most of my life I didn't know was there. I give you my life because you cared. Amen.